it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.
So first of all, I would thank my mother for getting all of these clothes for me. I'm really grateful and I'm really happy, and it's an amazing Friendship Day gift. So thank you so much, Mom. And yeah, without further delay, let's just get into the video. So I really like this, like the sweatshirt, or you can call it a sweater, whatever. It's black in color and the writing is in white. So here it says social and here it says anti. So anti-social, it does describe me because I'm not an extrovert, I'm an introvert. So I like that it describes me. But if you're an extrovert, maybe this is not for you. But if you're an introvert, then right. By the way, all of these clothes are from website. I don't think they have a link, but they do have a lot of stores, and I think they have it like all around the world. So you can buy it from there. But if they do have a link, then I will link everything in the description. So yeah, I really like this, and yeah, you should definitely buy this if there is any branches next to your house, or next to your place, wherever you live. And it is safe to go, but with a mask and with gloves, and be a little careful. If you're a risk taker, then you can go, but if you're not, then just stay home. So yeah, let's actually get to it. I really like it, and it's an amazing purchase which my mom made. So this is the next thing, and it is really cute. It is a crop top, and it's like more on the darkish side, but it's so cute on you. Like when I tried it, I loved it, and it's really nice. It says fancy on it, and the material, I love it. It's super duper cute, and yeah, I would probably wear this for anything fancy and for something casual. Like for bottoms, for casual, you can wear sweatpants or shorts or tights, and for anything fancy, you can wear something toned jeans which are white and black, or even jeans just plain without tone, and it will look really cute. So yeah, make sure you buy it. It's really cute. So it will look gorgeous on you as well. So the next thing is also black, and I think it's really cute. I know there's too much black in my wardrobe, but actually there isn't. There's a lot of color, but good amount of blacks. So here we go. It also has a zip, and it does have white stripes on the sleeves, and it has this thing which is kind of like a stamp, and it looks really cute. So it looks really nice. You can wear it when it's cold, you can wear it when it's warm. Probably not when it's warm, but whatever. You get me, you understand me, I hope so. And down, like for the bottoms, you can probably wear again black jeans or black tights or black shorts you can wear, or you can wear anything white, or probably grey. I would not suggest grey or blue because I don't think black and blue goes well together, but if you like the combination, then go for it. So I like this, it's really cute, and you can pair it with a lot of accessories like this, and with a nice scrunchie if you like wearing them, and you can put your hair up or down. It will look really cute. So this is a good thing too to buy. So the next thing is grey, and it says perfectly imperfect. I really like the saying. It's really cute, and the size is medium. You can also buy it in an XL or an L, like a large, which is kind of like an oversized t-shirt. At home you can wear it when like comfy days, or any wintry days, or any kind of online classes if you have, and some meetings and something like that. It will look cute, and it's grey. I like that color a lot. So you can wear grey pants with it, or white pants, or any kind of pants will go good with this. Even red pants will go good with it. So yeah, the saying is red, so that's why red pants. And yeah, it's just really cute. So you can buy this as well, and you look good in everything and anything, so always remember that. And for clothes, I have That's Great. So this is for slippers, and the exact same pair comes in golden and green. Like the leaves are golden and the outer part is green, and I think it's really cute. You can wear this for anything fancy and for at home. So like when if you go for a beach, if you go to the beach, it looks so cute. Like your feet will look amazing. And this with white nail polish. Okay, I'm like usually pairing every single thing. I'm sorry about that, but you can pair it with anything. So it will look really cute. I really like these. I will be wearing them every single day. My mom got one pair for my nani, one pair for my mommy, one pair for me, and one pair for herself. So I really like them, and yeah, you should buy them. So you do get them in a lot of variety, not only those. So I would definitely recommend you guys to check it out if you have a branch next to you. And as I told in the beginning, I will try to link everything down below if they do have a website. If they don't, I'm really sorry. And if you don't have that shop around you, I am super duper sorry. Next time I will probably do an online shopping thing for you guys, and I will link everything down below.
So the thing is, there was not a website for Westside where I got the clothes, but there is an address. So I will link the address down so you can always go to that shop and buy it.